Chef hats, also known as toques, have been a part of culinary tradition for centuries. With origins found in the Arabic term for round and rigid hats, the toque stands as an emblem of culinary prestige and creativity. Throughout history, these towering headpieces have seen a multitude of transformations, evolving from a simple head covering to a symbol of culinary creativity and innovation. But these hats are not just about aesthetics or tradition. Their construction, height, and pleats all serve a purpose. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating history and significance of these iconic hats, exploring the stories behind their evolution and the craftsmanship involved in their creation. Welcome to the captivating world of chef hats and their intriguing past. The tall chef hat, known as a toque, has a rich history that's definitely worth a documentary. First off, let's explore the roots of the toque in ancient Persia, where it was considered a symbol of respect and authority. Next, we travel to the Middle Ages, when the toque found its way to the monastic kitchens of Europe. Here, the monks, who often doubled as chefs, wore the toque as part of their religious attire. However, the toque truly found its place in the culinary world in the 16th century. Renowned French chef Marie-Antoine Carême recognized the toque not only as a tool to prevent hair from falling into the food, but also as a sign of cleanliness and professionalism. As we journey forward, the toque saw some changes. It grew in height and its design became more complex. In the 19th century, another French culinary maestro, Auguste Escoffier, introduced the pleated toque. As per legend, he stated that the 100 pleats in the toque symbolized the 100 ways a chef had to cook an egg. Over the years, the toque found its way to kitchens around the globe, from the bustling streets of New York to the quiet hamlets of rural Japan, becoming a symbol of culinary prowess and respect. The toque has come a long way since its ancient roots. From a symbol of power in ancient Persia to a beacon of culinary excellence in modern kitchens, its journey is as rich and varied as the cuisines it has helped create. And while it has evolved in design and use, its essence remains the same, a badge of honor for those who have mastered the art of cooking. The toque is more than just a headpiece. It's a symbol of status and expertise in the culinary world. The toque as a symbol of culinary hierarchy and experience. A chef's toque is not just an accessory, but it's an emblem of culinary hierarchy. The number of pleats it has can denote a chef's experience, with pleats reflecting mastery of various ways to cook an egg, according to culinary folklore. The toque is designed not just for status, but for practical reasons too. It aims to prevent hair from getting into the food, and its tall shape allows for superior heat dispersal, keeping the chef's head cool during the heat of cooking. The historical and symbolic significance of the toque, including its color. Originating in ancient Assyria, where chefs who knew royal secrets wore crowns similar to kings, the toque carries significant historical symbolism. It's often seen as a crown in the culinary world. Moreover, the color of the toque holds meaning. White is the traditional choice, symbolizing cleanliness and purity, and serving as a constant reminder for chefs to maintain the highest standards of hygiene and perfection in their cooking techniques and food preparation. So, the toque is not just a hat, it's a badge of honor. But how is it crafted? Creating a toque is an art in itself, requiring precision and care. The materials used for a toque are carefully selected, with durability and heat resistance being important factors. The most common materials are a stiff, durable fabric, often cotton or a cotton blend, that can handle the heat and hustle of a busy kitchen. The process of crafting a toque involves measuring, cutting, and stitching the fabric to create a cylindrical shape. First, the chef's head is measured to ensure a comfortable fit. Then the material is cut into the required shapes, a circle for the top and a rectangle for the sides. These pieces are stitched together, with the seams lying flat for a sleek appearance. A band is added at the bottom for additional comfort and to secure the fit. The height and pleats of the toque serve practical and symbolic purposes. The height of the hat keeps the chef's head away from the stove's heat, reducing overheating risk. As for the pleats, they are not just for show. Again, tradition states a toque has 100 pleats, representing the 100 ways to cook an egg. This may or may not be true, but these pleats certainly enhance the hat's elegance and sophistication. From a simple piece of cloth to a towering symbol of culinary expertise, the toque truly is a marvel of craftsmanship. So there you have it, the story behind the towering hats worn by chefs. Our journey has been divided into 3 key sections. First, we explored the history and tradition of the chef's hat, tracing its roots from ancient times to the Middle Ages, and charting its evolution up until the present day. Second, we probed into the significance of the toque. Its role is far transcending mere tradition. It is a testament to a chef's status, skill, and dedication to their craft. Each pleat, all 100 of them, are not just for show. They represent a unique technique a master chef is expected to know. Finally, we considered the craftsmanship and design of the toque. Beyond its towering stature, it is a blend of function and form, designed with comfort, practicality, and iconic visual appeal in mind. Next time you see a chef in a tall hat, you'll know the rich history and significance behind it. Until then, stay curious and be sure to like and subscribe for more.